Hi everyone, it's Celeste, and if you saw my recent short, I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of the things that I got for my small business, and maybe you can get inspired too. I am not exclusive when it comes to making jewelry or making clothes or fashion or cosplay items, so I would just love to do this unboxing video with you all. And if you are interested in knowing what I do, leave a comment down below, okay? And if you don't know what to write, leave 3 moons and a bunny. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I have. Yay! So I ordered from Pandahall, and this whole thing has like such a nice inventory list, but let's go ahead and get through it. First things first, I have these dark red beads, and I got a pound of these, so that made the shipping weight very expensive. Oh, hello! Do you like the beads? Okay, and then, oh, you took something. I have no clue what that is, but I think it's some kind of crystals. We'll look at it in a second. We also got another super wrapped one. I'm not sure. I'm going to open these, but first let's just get everything out of the box. I also have 2 surprises that I don't want to show you guys, so we'll save it for later. I got these lighter red seed beads in 1 pound. This is legit a pound. It's really heavy. Next, I got these studs, which are spikes, so I can screw in for cosplay purposes or choker purposes, and they are metal alloy. Then I also got, what's this big bag? This big bag has lots of things in it, so it looks like, uh-oh, he dropped something. Luckily, they are still packaged. So this one has these crystal beads. Oh, some more of the little, like, it's just kind of looking like a giant grab bag, but it isn't, because there's a lot of stuff in there. There's red beads, charms, my moon bunny charms, and my ear cuffs. Yeah, so this looks like charms, beads, like red beads, and ear cuffs, which is great. Next, we have, of course, my best-selling item, which is these ear cuff pieces. I got like 5 of these. So, yeah. Here, you want to help? You want to help, Mario? He wants to help get it out, too. Here. You want these? These sold out when I was at the convention because they're so unconventional. And I like being different. Oh, this is so important because I plan on making chokers. I got ribbon fasteners. And I already have none. I don't have any of these in stock, and it's nice that they have different colors on it as well. So I got 2 cases of that because I need to stock those really nicely. And then I got these special polymer clay bubble tea charms. Now, this was an assorted set, but I'm very excited to use these. And these are from Pandahall. If I want to show you guys, see, it says here, Pandahall. So if you see them on Amazon, they are very good. And then I got this, which I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna have to open it. And I think we can go ahead and start opening everything. Yeah. Hi, Peach. Are you here to help too? Oh, hello. Okay, and the first baggie that I pulled out was actually this moon charms. And these are glass. This is really heavy, and they are, oh, transparent, so they are not opaque. And this is gorgeous. They have little bits of gold in them. I love it. Beautiful. Absolutely in love with these. So nice. Next, I'm going to be opening this one. Let's check this out. The next item are these extremely beautiful crystal pendant drop-down pieces. They are so pretty. They kind of have like ABS. Some are clear. They're multicolored. This is an assorted bag, and I'm really excited to be able to use these. So these are gorgeous. So I got so many beads in this little baggie box, and we're opening it up. So this is like, they're kind of rhinestoney, but they're like crystallized hearts. I think they're so cute in many different colors. I'm not going to show you a lot. And then I got these beads. I got 2 packets of the same thing. Pretty nice. And they're like teardrop-ish shape. They're not exactly teardrop. Oh, yeah, you're right. They're not exactly teardrop. Here's another color in a different size. I got these thinking that I can have variety. Here are ear cuffs, you know, ear cuffs that go on your ear. That'd be great for earrings or something, or not. And then I got these bunny over the moon charms. Well, they're bunnies on the moon, and I love them. They're so me. I love them. I had to. And then I got this free little set here, which is filigrees, butterflies, and flowers. And this is a free gift, which is nice. I love it. They forgot to give me my bag. I was supposed to get a free bag. Kind of weird. So then I also got these giant crystals. Did I tell you guys I got these giant crystals? They're like the teardrop shape, but the hole is at the top. It's not through. So this is going to be so pretty. I can't wait to use these. And if I forgot to show you guys, I got these moons. I think I already told you that. And if I am repeating myself, leave a fail in the comment down below. And I'll remember that. So I got those. I need to keep everything on one side because I already showed you these things. Next, as I'm organizing my stuff, I got these. These were a hot commodity item. Okay, let me get one out and show you exactly what I'm talking about. These are special fairy bug-like wings, and oh my gosh, are they adorable. Adorable. Hold on. Adorable. So there's a little bit of glitter. It's like gold, and they're beads. So this is perfect for being on brand, and I have a few pieces of needing these immediately. I also got these charms. They're black enameled, but they're gold based, and I thought it would be fun just to mix it up every once in a while. They have like different things, but it's black and gold, and I think black and gold is so iconic, so I'm gonna use that. I also got these, which are actual spike beads. There's a spike, and then there's like a little ringlet at the top. They sold pretty well at my last event. I also got these enamel randomized pin like charms. I don't know if I can actually use all of these, but I think it's better to try and be creative than not. And I just like these small little grab bag charms, so they're fun. I also got these drop down beads. These are also teardrop shaped. They're more petal shaped, as they said. So I have an idea of making hair pieces with these. And then I got lots of chain, because you can never go wrong with just having chain on your jewelry. My jewelry is very, very hardcore. Did I already show you these? No. This is something else inside a bag. Oh look, here are the special other ear cuffs that are stars. These are just stars. They're not anything else, they're just stars. And then here's smaller little teardrop through the teardrop red beads. And lastly, I have my hearts. These are the hearts. Oh, these are so thin. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? It's okay. Now it's time to see what is in here. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm just gonna cut it open. Hopefully I can cut it open. I know I don't like wasting bubble wrap, but still. Let's just find out, because we got some stuff. I know exactly what this is. These are my perfume bottles. These are so important because these are one of the new hot items that I want to make for my business, and these are bigger than I thought. Okay, so these are perfume bottles, and they are mini moons. They look like an apple though. They're supposed to be like a moon. They're cute, but they're big. Yeah, so this is supposed to be like a perfume stopper here. Yeah, if we don't want to have this top, which we are going to not have that top. And that is that. This is the last item. They totally forgot my other free gift. I guess I can only choose one free gift at a time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video with me and my small business items. And if you have any questions about the things that I purchased, let me know in a comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much. Remember to stay inspired, be creative. We will see you in another video. Bye. Yeah, baby Mario. Want to say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.